Good morning, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for Jaskrans. Just responding to your email interest in regards to this 2014 Honda CB500F. So I'm gonna do a quick little walk around of the bike for you so you can see how good of a shape it's in, and then answer the questions that you had in the email. Get a look at the exhaust. There's an aftermarket exhaust. Now, your first question was price of the bike. So the price of the bike is $54.88. Only 4,966 kilometers. Very low miles on this bike. It's a very good bike. Very good, very clean. In terms of insurance and any financing questions, it would be hard to tell. You'd have to do a finance application for that first and then get approved, and then for the program for no years one payment, that's another lender which would require another approval. So there's really no answer for those as of right now, but the price of the bike is $54.88, no extra tax or no extra fees, just the taxes and licensing. So that's the exact price of the bike, just plus tax and licensing. Okay, if you have any other questions or if you wanted to schedule a time to come look at the bike, please email me back and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks a lot.